Hey guys, Happy New Year! Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to import an image from Google to Design Space. So first let's go to Google and type up Mama Bear. Go to Images and you'll have like a whole list of Mama Bear here. Let's pick this. Save image as Mama Bear, and I usually save it on my desktop or on my PC. So now we're going to Cricut Design Space. Click New Project and go to Upload, Browse, and then find that file. In this screen, choose what's best, what matches your image. To simplify what I do, I usually just click on the complex and hit Continue. Then it's going to take you to the screen and you're going to zoom in. There is a wand right here. This is an eraser and this is for cropping. So we are going to use the wand and I'm just going to click on the white part. As you can see, it is erasing the white part. There's a button here where you can preview to see if you've missed anything, and I did miss that one on purpose just to show you. Then you just go back and click on it and then preview again. And it looks good for now. We'll go ahead and continue. This is for the printing and this is for the cutting. So we are going to save as a cut image. Name the file. You can also put tags if you'd like and hit save. Then it will take you to the screen. You're going to grab the image and insert the image. So in this screen, you can resize it to the size you want. So you just play it around. You can stretch it out. You can unlock this. So basically, this is how you import an image from Google to Design Space. Alright you guys, if you like this video and you want to see more, please don't forget to click subscribe below. Thank you for watching and I'll talk to you guys later.